How to use and edit an export template with CustomCat. To use or edit an export template within your CustomCat account, you'll begin by clicking My Stores in the left navigation menu. Next, click the Add Product button next to the store you created the template for. To access your templates, click the Template tab to the right of the menu options. This will open a list of your created templates. If you have multiple templates in your list and you'd like to view the products in the template, click the name of the template from the left menu. Next, you'll select the Use Template icon either from your template list or next to the title on a selected template. This will bring you to Step 2 of the Add Product flow. All the product data you included when you created the template is already saved, including product title, color and size variants, and tags. From here, you'll select a design, either from your design library or directly from your computer. You can apply your design to all products in your template at once, or select separate artwork for each individual product by clicking on that individual product. Lastly, you'll export your products to your store. Next, let's learn how to edit a template. To edit a template, you'll start with the same steps. When selecting your template, you have the ability to modify the name of the template by clicking the Edit button next to the title. Once your template is selected, you'll be brought to Step 2 of the Add Product flow, where you can change any product details you'd like. For the purposes of this tutorial, we've gone back to Step 1 to add 11 and 15-ounce black mugs to our template as well. To save this template for future use, you'll follow the same process as when you created your template initially. Select and group your products, and then select Save Export Template from the drop-down menu. By adding a design and exporting your products, your template will be saved for future use. Keep in mind that these adjustments do not overwrite your original template. In your template list, you will now see your original and your new template listed. If you'd like to remove the previous template, click the red X next to the name of the template in your template list. And that's it! You've successfully used and edited your templates. For more CustomCat tutorials, plus frequently asked questions, tips, tricks, and more, visit CustomCat.com.